on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video is all about CyberFlex 2. This version is for the Fire Stick. There is another version, but it has trouble uploading on the Fire Sticks. But this version works absolutely perfect. And honestly, this is my opinion, one of the best replacements for Terrarium TV. It is identical fork, and it has a lot of promise. Let's just show. I'll just show you. Let's get into it. All right. There you go. It has a lot of promise. It really does, and you can see the interface is very familiar. Let me adjust my camera a little bit. There you go. It's very familiar. It's real easy to use. Okay. We're gonna go back up here. You see, everything is just like Terrarium. The only difference is it's not. It's called Cyberplay. Now there is one thing I'm gonna say is go down to settings. You see this here where it says player? Okay. Oops, I'm going a little too fast. Let me slow down. You see where it says player? It's gonna ask you to download Cyberplay. On the Fire Stick, I'm still trying to figure out how to get it on the Fire Stick. It is, for some reason, on the phone, on the phones and the boxes, it works great when you try to download the Cyberplay. But when you try to download it on your Fire Stick, it won't. It fails. But what I realized, if you download the Yes Player or the MX Player, it works pretty dang good. So I have here the Yes Player installed in my Fire Stick. Just to show you it works, let me go to in theater, go to none, and at this point you already know what to do. You just hit play on your remote. See what I mean? It's gonna ask you to download it, but to be honest with you, it just has trouble trying to download. If anybody out there knows how to, or a good place that the Cyberplay is compatible with the Fire Stick, let me know in the comments. I'm going to keep trying. But for now, I'm just going to say don't ask again and hit more ads. And that's just so that you're allowed to play your own player, like the Yes Player. Okay? And like I said, everything is identical. Hopefully this thing keeps going. So we're going to try this one. Hit play. Give it a second. There you go. See, it plays pretty good. Let's try TV show. And it's pretty current too. And let me see, let's go to, actually, I know, right here, Big Bang Theory. Go into that, go into seasons, go into the newest one, season 12. Okay, and we'll go right here. Okay, actually, let's see if we can find something more current, because I want to see one episode from yesterday. I know The Good Doctor played, so let's go to The Good Doctor. There you go, October 1st. All right, let's hit play. And as you know, with Terrarium, you had to wait to upload the links. The same thing here. It all depends on how good is the internet service you have that'll find the links. Where I'm at in my spoke too soon. All right, so let's click the first one, hit play, give it a second to load up. Oh, there you go. It's working pretty dang good. All right, now hope you guys really do like this. I honestly, to be honest with you, it has ads. What I've seen, I deal with it, but it's very minimum, like very minimum. And we have it back. Just let's see how long it lasts. I hope it lasts pretty dang long. But all right, let's get to the nitty gritty and how we get this. Okay. Now, if you don't have filelinked, the video link is down below in the description of how to get this on many different devices. I have it for the phone, for Android boxes, and for Fire Sticks. It's all down below. Okay. Once you download FileLink, all you have to do is then open it. You're going to be prompted where you have to enter a code in, And the code for my channel's APK store is right here, 645-39676. Once you enter that in, you're going to hit continue. Give it a second. I'm going to try to have all my new APKs on the top for a little bit, and then give it about a week or two, or a week, and then I'm going to move them into the different categories. But here you go. The first one, Cyberlink. Dismiss that. You're going to hit the download button there. Let it download. Give it 1 second to download. And once you got it downloaded, you see how it changes over to the play button? Okay? You're going to hit play, or hit that button to download it. And then you're going to go install, let it install. Okay? And while it's installing, I just want to stress it that for some reason, if it won't let you install, make sure you delete Terrarium Tv first, or any fork of it. Just delete it first, and you should have no issues. Okay? So once this is done, it's gonna say done or open. So let's give it a second. And there we go. So now you know how to get it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribing helps where it shows you when I upload new videos or update of other videos to how to get things. You'll be notified. Just hit that little bell and you should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great evening. Bye.
That's all, folks.